Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna add the rotation to my building. First I'm gonna create two input actions. I'm using new input action system. If you use old you can do it opening project settings and searching for key input here in engine category and add input inputs here on bindings. In my case I'm gonna create two input actions. First, gonna be input action rotate left, and I will leave everything by default. And second is input action rotate right. Then I'm gonna add it to my input mapping context. Rotate left and rotate right. And assigning keyboard button to them. For rotate left, I will use Q keyboard button, and for rotate right, I will use E keyboard button. Then I'm gonna add input handling onto my building component. I will create a new event graph here and call it input, and just type input action rotate left and input action rotate right. So to prevent holding both two buttons, I'm going to create an enum and call it rotation KE building rotation direction. And it will be left or right or none. And here on I will have a variable rotation direction, and by default it needs to be none. So when rotate left, hold it, we're setting our rotation direction on the left, and when it is completed or cancelled, we're setting none. And doing the same here on rotate right. Just here we're setting not left but right. Then we're going to event tick and making a function. Let's make a function rotate building if needed, and then call it from event tick. In rotate building if needed, we're checking if rotation direction. Okay, we're getting rotation direction and switching on it. So we're doing nothing if it is none, and if it is left, we're taking our building and adding actor rotation, world rotation. On left, we were adding 0.5 by z-axis, and for right, minus 0.5 for example. Now let's check if it is too fast. Maybe we should increase or decrease these values. Let's start a project. So here's my house and I'm holding E, I'm holding Q, I'm holding both of them. So that's all for this video. Hope it will be helpful for someone. In the next video I'm gonna make make us able to move building up or down a little bit. Thanks for watching.